Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are under attack. Plastic waste is destroying the planet that we call home. It's polluting our oceans. It's killing our wildlife. It's devastating our ecosystems. It's sad. We often feel helpless because this seems bigger than us. But what if we could fight plastic waste with the power of a bottle? It's called Rebo, and it's the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. One Rebo drunk, one plastic bottle collected. As simple as that. Rebo is a smart bottle equipped with a laser time-of-flight sensor and a Bluetooth transmitter that measures and sends the water you drink to the Rebo app. The app captures the information and records it into the blockchain, transforming it into green credits that sponsor the collection of plastic bottles. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are consumed worldwide. Every time you choose to refill your Rebo bottle, you're choosing not to generate more plastic waste. But most importantly, every time you drink from Rebo, we will collect one plastic bottle polluting our environment. The Rebo app will show you the plastic bottles that are being collected thanks to you. And there is more to Rebo. It tracks the water you drink and builds a customized hydration plan according to your lifestyle. The bottle reminds you to stay hydrated by lighting up. It's equipped with a unique one-hand push cap and keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 because it's made of the best stainless steel that we could find. Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are running out of time. If we don't act now, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our ocean. The first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. Back us now. Join the revolution.
What is the power of a bee? Nothing. A bee alone is powerless. It's lost. On the internet, we are no different. Without collaboration, we are limited. Take the cloud. It's great to store and share our files, but on the cloud, we are lost inside someone else's data center. We don't own our data anymore. Remember? We all found free gigabytes seducing at the start, but the day you run out of space, how do you feel about paying every single month for the rest of your life? This is the truth. The cloud today is nothing but massive server farms that will keep milking our data and draining the energy of our planet. Unless we realize that safety is not on this cloud, safety is in numbers, and you can count on a whole swarm by your side. Cubit is the world's first distributed cloud where collaboration puts the users in power. Together, we can shape the cloud as it should always have been. Green, forever free, encrypted by design. Because privacy is a fundamental right, not a premium feature. So, what is the power of a bee? Come beyond the cloud and see. Join the swarm.
There are situations when you need a serious power supply. Regretfully, most of the time, they're either underpowered or just too darn large, heavy, and complicated. Just like how our Zero Breeze Mark II is known as the world's smallest portable AC, we, at Zero Breeze, have always specialized in taking large and heavy appliances compact without any compromise on its performance. This time, we're bringing to you the Zero Breeze ElecHive 2200 Portable Battery Power Station. The ElecHive employs the latest battery technology. It's slightly larger than a basketball. It's got a lot of power in it. We're talking about 2,400 watts of power. And this, my friends, is how many batteries it would take for a traditional power station to reach a similar capacity. From now on, These are just a thing of the past. It keeps the party going all night long. That was pretty fast. Anyway, charging the Elec Hive is a breeze. Aside from using outlets and car chargers, the MPPT high-efficiency solar charging is also available at your fingertips. And if you use multiple solar panels, you can cut down the charging time in half. If there's the sun, there's the power. I'm gonna go grab some more beer for the rest of the day. In the meantime, check out the descriptions below for more details. And be sure to grab yourself a Zero Breeze Elec Hive. Thanks so much for your support.
Now there's a way to get fresh, clean water without smelly bottles or polluting plastics. Introducing Oren, the self-cleaning water bottle that purifies your water in seconds. With Oren, you can carry pure water wherever you go, whether it comes from the faucet, the fountain, or the river. So, how does it work? Oren uses UVC technology to clean itself and purify your water. To purify your water, just fill the bottle, close the lid, and touch the button. In just 60 seconds, with Oren, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help reduce global fossil fuel consumption every sip. If you need another reason, using Oren can save you hundreds of dollars a year on water filter replacements, plastic water bottles, and cleaning materials. For a healthier you and a healthier planet, experience clean water at the touch of a button. Experience Oren.
Hi, I'm Iran, industrial designer and plant lover. I've spent the last 3 years researching and testing materials, plants, and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. Meet the TerraPlanter. My mission was not only to design a beautiful piece, but a solution that overcomes the two main reasons plants die: underwatering and overwatering. TerraPlanter overcomes these deadly scenarios. In addition, it doesn't need soil, only water. It's that easy. Water goes inside the vessel, and the plant grows on the outside. The structure of the material is solid, yet porous. Water is slowly diffused through it and is held by the cells, giving the plant time to drink. These cells are also the perfect home for seeds. Simply spread seeds into the cells and watch them come to life. We designed this microtexture to provide extra grip for the plant roots to hold on tight. And since the roots are on the surface, they have constant access to both water and air. You can even reuse the TerraPlanter as many times as you like. It's the next generation of the planter, and it opens up a whole new world of growing options. You can rub spores onto the surface, wrap a climbing plant around it, use rubber bands to mount plant roots onto the surface, or cover it with seeds of your choice and just let life happen. The plant and the TerraPlanter become one. We need your help to bring the TerraPlanter to life. Join us.
Step in and turn it on. Warm, powerful streams of water immediately envelop you. This is the Nebbia Spa Shower 2.0. Inviting, effective, indulgent. Every detail was designed to give you a magical experience, drenching you completely while saving up to 65% of water. Through our patented atomization technology, Nebbia creates a sensation of more water so you can feel good while doing good. The Nebbia Spa Shower 2.0 is the next evolution in showering, with more heat, power, and coverage than ever before. Nebbia 2.0's changes are more than skin deep. Nearly every component was redesigned to deliver our best shower experience yet. We promise you your shower will never be the same. Together, the Nebbia community has already saved over 100 million gallons of water, and we're just getting started. At Nebbia, we're not just building products, we're building a movement. We hope you'll join us.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to Pico. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. Pico is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. Pico lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear Nature, welcome home.
Is it possible to not only block toxic air, but also produce excess clean air in the process? This was how Atmo Blue was born. Atmo Blue is an innovative portable air purifier which protects users from air particulates while providing an enhanced breathing experience. Atmo Blue features built-in high-speed fans and continuously supplies fresh, filtered air to users. With over 150 hours of use per filter, Atmo Blue delivers 99.9% clean air around the clock. Replacing filters is easy. Simply swap out old filters using Atmo Blue's magnetic filter caps. In addition to advanced filtration, Atmo Blue features a patented strap channel design, providing a full range of motion, and comes with interchangeable designer skins to suit your style. We created Atmo Blue so that you can breathe freely, because breath is the gift of life. Today, we are asking you to join us in our mission to offer clean air for all. Over the past year, we prototyped and tested Atmo Blue. We received amazing feedback and even won a few awards. With your contribution, we can bring Atmo Blue to life. Once we break our stretch goal, the Atmo Blue app will be released, allowing for more enhanced mask features, such as automatic airflow adjustment, filter change notifications, local air quality index, and more. We're so excited to bring Atmo Blue to you and look forward to your support. Atmo Blue, clean air for all.